Hi traders, it's Edwin here from TradeView and welcome to episode number 135 of Trading Talk. In this week's episode we talk about what you can do when you're trading within a trend and how that might be different to trading in different market conditions. Also, look, it's been a couple of weeks since our last Trading Talk because last week we released our trading platform TradeViewX in conjunction with Go Market, so I hope all of you are enjoying using the fantastic features on the new platform. I think in that time, I don't think we've actually announced that we've got our first two speakers booked in for our algo trading conference. So we have Rob Pardo, who is the creator of Walk Forward Analysis, which I'm sure you algo traders have all heard of. If you haven't, then you definitely should come to the conference and find out a little bit more, or a lot more, about walk forward analysis and how Bob uses that in his trading. So we'll be showing you walk forward analysis in conjunction with a particular model that he's built. Also, we have another well-known trader, Robert Carver, who's from the UK. He's worked at various funds and investment banks and managed multi-billion-dollar portfolios. He's also written some books about CFD trading specifically, so he knows all the ins and outs of CFDs, which of course are trading on MT4. Also in there, another thing, we've launched our International Trading Championship on the 1st of February, and it's off to a flying start with the leader at the moment. Last time I checked, we've got around about 120% return so far. So they've moved very quickly in the championship, but there's a couple of other contenders hot on the heels at around about 60% as well. Look, we don't know whether that's going to continue for those leaders at the moment, time will tell, but one thing's for sure, if you haven't entered the trading championship, then you won't have a chance to win the major prize, which is a $10,000 live Go Markets trading account that will be announced at the end of October, at the end of the marathon, plus a ticket to our algo trading conference with flights and accommodation included, especially if you're overseas. Last year's winner, Ivo Buzak from Switzerland, we flew him over. So get involved in the trading championship. You don't have a ticket for the algo trading conference. Now that you know who the first two speakers are, make sure you get a ticket before, number one, they're all sold out, and before the prices go to full price, we announce the third speaker, which will be very soon. Hope you enjoy this video about trading the trend, and until next week, all the best with your trading.